Hey manufacturing enthusiasts, let's understand the journey of Lean Six Sigma, exploring common challenges and unveiling practical solutions that pave the path to excellence. Challenge: resistance to change. Solution: cultivate a culture of empowerment and engagement. Involve teams in the process, communicate the benefits, and showcase early wins to build momentum. Change is the bridge to innovation. Challenge: data complexity. Solution: harness the power of data analytics tools that simplify, visualize, and interpret complex data, enabling teams to derive actionable insights and drive informed decisions. Data is the compass that guides us to success. Challenge: maintaining momentum. Solution: establish a framework for continuous improvement, including regular reviews, feedback loops, and ongoing training to ensure that Lean Six Sigma principles are ingrained in the organizational culture and evolve with changing needs. Momentum is the fuel for progress. By addressing these challenges proactively and implementing practical solutions, we can unlock the transformative potential of Lean Six Sigma, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, innovation, and excellence within the manufacturing industry. Together, let's embrace the challenges, seize the opportunities, and redefine the future of manufacturing.